How to recover Apple account password. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you recover or reset Apple account password. So let's get started. First, open the settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, at the top, tap on your Apple account. Alright, after you open Apple account, tap on sign in and security. From here, tap on the option change password. And from your, as usual, to change the password of your Apple account, you'll have to just start a security delay for your iPhone or iOS device. For that, simply tap on that start security delay. From there, after tap on that, you'll be able to see such interface like time remaining for this security delay. After you complete 1 hour for security delay on your iOS, you'll be able to change your Apple account password from there. So this is the process. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.